Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu dem ersten React auf meinem Kanal zusammen mit Let's Grotti. Heute schauen wir eine Serie. Es wird ein Serienreact. Serienreact, genau. Jetzt geht's ab. Genau, wir schauen Amphibia Folge 1. Also Staffel 1, Folge 1. Ja, ich glaube, wir können einfach gleich reinstarten, ne? Starten wir einfach gleich rein. Let's go. Was obwohl? Ich glaube, es wird ziemlich comedy-reich. Genau, für mich ist es ein Blind React. Ich glaube, das wird eine gute Comedy, so auf der Disenchantment-Ebene. Du meintest schon, dass die ersten 2 Folgen wirklich man muss durchkommen. Ich freue mich auf eine gute Comedy mit 'ner guten Story. Okay, ich bin gespannt. Ja gut, dann okay, let's go. Anne or Beast. Oh, 'n roter Mond. Anne. Oh Gott. Ja, ich bin
Good night,
deutsch.
you frogs. See you in the morrow. Oi! What's that? No, 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 no!
Das war's mit dem ersten Nebencharakter. Yo, okay, what? Junge, Alter. Was ist das für ein geiles Ding?
Okay, so yesterday was a bad day.
Das ist cool.
Monster! There's a monster in the woods. I seen it. I seen it.
I see
Down,
it.
Wally.
It had a huge head, a weird stubby bump right in the middle of its face, and long spindly legs.
Obscene! We better catch this beast before it hurts somebody.
Okay, Sü.
Oh, Polly, look. Candy. Bribe accepted! Let the monster hunt begin! Don't die! Seems like the beast roams these parts. Probably a good place for a trap.
Ich habe jetzt eher ein Loch erwartet.
Got ya! Thought you got the best of old Anne, eh? Well, you didn't.
Hey.
Giant head, spindly limbs, face bump. The beast! I have bad news for you, beast. I taste terrible. I am not gonna eat you. You saved me. You're not a beast at all. You're a hero. An ugly, ugly, ugly hero. Call me ugly again and maybe I will eat you. Ha! You're not gonna eat me. You got a name, stranger?
My name's Anne. Anne Boonchoy.
I'm Sprig Planter. Put her there.
Okay. So your hand is barfed on my hand. How do I know I can trust you?
What? Does this look like a face that could deceive you?
Pups are coming!
Ja, das muss Kind mitnehmen.
Harvest the toenails for medicinal purposes!
From another world! Either that or this is a dream.
There they are!
Careful now, boys.
Stay away from me!
No! You guys got it all wrong!
You got the monster! Sprig, I'm impressed.
Hurry! Everyone! Mantis formation!
Mantis Formation.
Nope, that scared it off.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Huh? What is this? Another trick?
I'll distract that thing. You get out of here.
Do something!
Oh, right. On it.
War da ihre Augen gerade blau?
Round.
Ja, ich hab da was gesehen.
Well, don't get carried away.
Big win.
Well, this has been great, but just give me a map. I gotta find my way out of this kooky place.
Ja.
Oh, map won't be enough. This here valley is surrounded by mountains that are impenetrable this time of year.
Come on, come on. Looks like I'm gonna be here for a while.
Yeah, this is a good shirt.
All right, Anne, you can do this.
Wenn's doch bloß so easy wäre.
Guys, I just had the craziest dream. I was trapped in a world of frog pee. Oh.
Just give me an excuse to use old Doris here.
Alter.
I think the little one wants to kill me.
Yep. So, you must be so excited to be trapped in another world. Very jealous. Yeah. It's gonna be great.
Like your moxie, frog child.
Let's do it! You ready to go?
Ja, was?
Hi!
And where do you two think you're going?
We're going to the lake. Oh, ow. So hot, they'll make you wish you were dead.
Nice.
Someone just kill me, please!
Ja, natürlich hat er nichts.
Sometimes.
Do you hear that? No
Ah.
way. This might be the
Nice.
coolest thing I've ever seen.
Happens all the time. He makes a great scarecrow.
Know what this smells like?
A key that's been in an old man's pocket?
Go back! Ugh, I thought you were trying to be my friend.
I am!
Well, this is what friends do, remember? They help each other get the things they want.
Huh?
Grotti, ich bräuchte den BMW.
Friend likes a pencil case, you get it for them. If your friend likes your new shoes, you give them to her. And if a friend wants you to steal a crazy music box from a thrift store, even if you really don't want to, you do it, okay? Because if you don't, they might not want to be your friend anymore.
Ja.
Spring! Vengeance!
Vengeance!
You're alive!
Die Peppers.
What did you do?
So hot, they'll make you wish you were dead.
Run!
Death approaches!
Come on, Mama needs a new pair of shoes. Seriously though, I do need new shoes.
You guys been here all day, huh?
Also, da bin ich so an das
I'm on a winning streak.
Escalator geht. Das, ja.
Oh, by the way, Hop Pop, we found this on the floor. You must have dropped it.
Diese ganzen Details.
Gotcha. Marcy, I hope you guys are okay. Because I am.
Take a look at this, please,
Der Villain.
Sasha. It was found far from here in the South Forest. Now we know that you've been lying to us. Now we know that there
Oh.
are more of you.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Dass die anderen beiden auch in der Welt sind, habe ich jetzt nicht erwartet. Oh. Jetzt weiß ich's. Ah, die wird doch safe auch zum Villain an. Kannst du mir nicht anders erzählen. Okay, es war eine gute erste Folge. Gut, dass ich nicht früher angefangen habe. Jetzt haben wir es hier, Alter. First time React. Ja, ich jetzt auch. Gut, dann will ich aber sagen, was das mit der ersten Folge buchstäblich. Lasst ein Like und ein Abo, damit es euch gefallen hat. Schaut auch bei Let's Grotti vorbei. Und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.